श्वास पोटाच्या आत आणि हा श्वास हळूहळू सोडायचा. स्लोली इन व्हायब्रेशन. Whenever you feel you're ready, you can slowly rubbing your palm.
My name is Paulina. I'm from Chile, South America, living in Saudi Arabia. I met Dr. Kiran and Dr. Mugda, and I decided to come to this workshop about constellations, family constellation, because I felt there are some things that missing of my ancestor that I wanted to connect with in order to clean myself, in order to understand myself and what happened in the dynamics of my family. So I think I started to do it. This workshop was really good, make me understand many things, and I'm sure this is the beginning to more and better understanding. Thank you, Dr. Mogda and Dr. Kiran, for this opportunity. God bless you.